DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.
Code. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. You see what I do? You don't know. You see what I do today, dog? We out in them town, you know, man. Yeah, man, we there with another one. The one I've been requested a lot. You see me? So I've been dropped the one I'm phone. You see me? I have to make sure say the damn mafia get them shout out, you know. You see me? Y'all been blowing me up for this one. Someone shout out a couple people. You see me? And say, you know, don't see what I do from the title. Today we there with Javo Donn. The one named Wuff Wuff. You see me? And I think that this step on the big breeze. I don't know the title of the rhythm, but we call it the big breeze rhythm. You see me? And say, and we go check it out. So we dog I deal with Javo Donn. You heard of Javo Donn? Me don't know if I've heard songs from him exactly. You see me? And say, yeah. So I'm gonna check out. People been requesting Wuff Wuff, but for I don't know, I haven't listened to it. You see me? They say it's on the big breeze rhythm. So far, Squash and Daddy One's kill that rhythm there. You see me? And say, but yeah, Trap 6 requested this one. You see me? And say, big up to Trap 6. Who else requested one? This one, the one, yeah. I see what I know some other one people requested one there. You see me? I all of very much on who else? I know I can't find anybody else requested one. I'm gonna get a shout out my bag, gang. You already know what time it is. You see me? I say, oh yeah, man. Today, big up Trap 6. You see me? I say, but today we there Javo Donn, the one named Wuff Wuff. I check it out, see what I got deal with. You see me? This rhythm been going hard, so I got high hopes for this one. You see me? I got a lot of vibes on song. Javo Donn, Wuff. Let's get it, gang.
Your checking account available balance is $92,153,183.
Automatic.
42 million? I don't think you how the bomb.
$92,153,183.
Automatic. What you say? Active right now. Time is now.
Time is now. Wait. A Squash voice that?
Automatic. What you say? Active right now. Time is now.
Buckley, that sound like Squash. Is that just an editor like? It all link with the 6. Yeah, man.
My dog sell a beach house and have a title where you know about.
A flick out the bomb buckle. Wait. Before we jump in, you dog a flick out the bomb buckle. Yeah, man. Binds there, man. Come here.
My dog sell a beach house and have a title where you know about. Chop like a boy, your eye.
What?
Spot.
Where's the weird. That you call choppings. The man say you in dog sell a beach house and not take off for that. Where you do look a boy I road dude. Weird. No, alright, weird.
My dog sell a beach house and have a title. You know about chop like a boy, your eye.
Buck like, I go for real too, blood. I sell a house, but I no title, nothing. What me I do? Yeah.
Marlins like flip. Westmoreland big cook that J. Claim say them have a 1 car and rich.
Yeah.
You understand? Them year 6 till 12. Big breeze hot like summer. Fifth panic count FedEx higher than me runner.
Real. Nah, man. The rhythm come like every song pan the rhythm I go bad dog. Oh, go on the man say, yo. Big beach this summer.
Them year 6 till 12. Big breeze hot like summer. Fifth panic count FedEx higher than me runner. What the fuck you mean we bring you heat like gonna? Fuck you mean we
easy.
Nah, no money them a capper here.
Easy. Yeah, man. The man say 6 till 12. Okay, so he's a part of the 6. Okay. He's a part of the 6. Alright, he's a part of the 6 then. Alright. No way I get it, man. But everybody will link, every artist will link with the 6, man, bro. Hey, shit. The man say yes, 6 till 12, my nigga. You see me? A big breeze for the whole summer.
Them year 6 till 12. Big breeze hot like summer. Fifth panic count FedEx higher than me runner. What the fuck you mean we bring you heat like gonna? Fuck you mean we... You nah no money, them a capper, you heard. Watch a big brick from a splurge. Credit card by Rolex first. She taxi 9 next charge rock now.
Easy. This fire.
Brick from a splurge. Credit card by Rolex first. She taxi 9 next charge rock now. As the sun sun out, dog, my perch ends, me light the candle, me part the big dance. Real jagger, no post, no talk, you see the well here, jumping a home
sun out, brother. Light up my candle, you see me, I get to work. How do you blame it? When he said on the sun out, you can't meet that one. Either when the sun go down or when the sun rise. I'm thinking me when the sun go down. You see what I say?
As the sun out, dog, my perch ends, me light the candle, me part the big dance. Real jagger, no post, no talk, you see the well here, jumping a hometown, can't see none of them.
That's facts. That's facts. The man say real jagger no talk and no post. You see the well, bro. You see it. You see it when man bring big food I get jagged down. I want to you, man.
Go send 2 card a yard, but dog, my bra father, you know what quad. 100 on the card, but dog, I never see him jack.
Blood clot. How them the $5,000 bill?
641 bad man code that 411 info brawling chop. All over place, high P get hot. Click one link high.
All over place, high P get hot, youth. I want to you, my youth. I say 411 John, we that I say.
$2 million, my max got 641 bad man code that 411 info brawling chop. All over place.
41 bro, wait, I chop something. Listen to that.
On the card with them, I never gave a jack. $2 million, my max got 641 bad man code that 411 info
441 bad man code that. You see me and say, wait, what you say?
Jack $2 million, my max got 641 bad man code that 411 info brawling chop. All over place, high P get hot.
Listen, yeah, man. 641. You see me, bad man code that. You see me, 411 info get drop. You see me, high P get hot, you know, man, I get.
High G get hot. All them to pass my life. I see the blood clot with me steer on my body. Hand punch up, people my you know and slide. Our life too rich. 6 till we got our gal. You don't see the life of a blood clot live. New input 0 on the mileage rich.
Easy.
Leeching glass.
See life where I live my own new import. 0 on them the blood clean dash. Nothing no depend it. Post off the plastic and everything. That's rich. Come in, man.
Tyson, me rest my clock pan her mouth. She feel breeze. Taboo.
Wait, that's about Tyson.
Tyson, me rest my clock. Leech rich, leeching Glock Tom Tyson. Me rest my clock pan her mouth. She feel breeze. Taboo, me tip a girl shell blue cheese. Rockefellers up.
Easy, you know.
Them year 6 till 12. Big breeze hot
Like summer. Come tear you out, come in, man. Javo Donn, big up yourself.
Active panic count, FedEx higher than me runner. What the fuck you mean? We bring your heat like gunner. Fuck you mean? Them nah no money, them a capper, you heard. Watch a big brick from a splurge. Credit card by Rolex first. You don't see that next charge rock man.
Easy now, man. Javo Donn, big up yourself. Yo, they really not bad, yo. Hey.
Real jagger, no post, no talk. You see the well here, dropping a hometown, can't see none of them. Let's go send 2 card a yard, but dog.
Yeah, dropping a hometown, can't see none of them. None outside.
You know what? 100.
Oh, everybody outside. Out in the town, and nobody not see nothing. What go on? If you say outside, and somebody say they outside, and there's somebody, oh no, not see what go on? Everybody want outside and say all this.
641 bad man code that 411 info brawling chop. All over place, high P get hot. Click one link, high G get hot.
Click one link, high G get hack. Easy now, man. Boy, be on them phishing emails and shit. Boy, be on them phishing scams. Why flat? What's your base there, man? Yeah, thank you. Benz and Mark X. Easy now. Easy now. Tommy.
Yo, Kuya watching our creative click shoot the one and hear that.
Yeah, that. Big up yourself. Javo Donn, creative click. Now do one thing. The rhythm here, dog. I will make the rhythm. I will make the blood clot rhythm here. You see me, big up your damn self. The rhythm here go crazy. You see me, and the artists, them go crazy upon it. You see me, and I say, yeah, man, all I sang them here upon the rhythm so far are fire. You see me, and I say, yeah, man, them shit's fire as well. No cap. All them a vibe. Play this song, this again. You see me, and I say, basically, if you sang me upon this rhythm is a playlist song. You see me, and I say, you add that to the playlist. You see me, and I say, you don't know what time it is again. Yeah, man, big up Trap 6 for the request. You don't know what time it is. You see me? Javo Donn do him thing where I keep. Another youth where I have to keep where I upon. You see me, I say? I'm going to do him thing, man. I like when you want to see me doing thing on my Ryan's. You see me? Yeah, man, gang. Good day. Don't know, drop in the comments. Let's talk about it. Let's chop it up. You see me? Drop your favorite part, beats, lyrics, melody. You already know the routine. Yeah, let's drop some information about the artist. You see me? Let's talk about it and discuss it. Let's get vibe going. I like how y'all been interacting lately. Y'all been, you know what I'm saying, engaging. Respect. Look up yourself. Keep it up. You already know what time is it, gang. See you next time. Take care of yourself and each other. You already know what time it is. Gang, I paused a while ago. I know y'all see that shit. No. Take care of yourself and each other, guys.
I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.